Hey, Berks County, I got a call the other day from someone who had a home that didn't really need any repair. So I wanted to do this video to let you know that if you have a home to sell in Berks County, Pennsylvania, people often ask us, can you buy my home even if it doesn't need any repair? A lot of times when people think cash buyers as is in Berks County, Pennsylvania, that the house has to be a wreck or have some repair issues, and that's not necessarily the case. They also think that we only buy really cheap properties. So I'm here to let you know that if you have a home that doesn't need any repair, we've purchased homes that are $200,000, $300,000, $400,000 that don't need any repair. So why would someone sell to a cash buyer if their home isn't in need of repair? Sometimes it's because they want cash up front before they move. They don't want to have to coordinate selling their home with coordinating buying their next home. They would rather get cash up front, have all the time they want to pack their stuff and move. Sometimes they need to sell quickly. A lot of times if you're selling the home on the market, someone is getting a mortgage to pay for that home in Berks County. So what they're doing is it takes them about 6 to 8 weeks for their lender to go through the whole approval process and get that loan ready to go to buy your property in Berks County. What we do is we purchase cash, so we can close as quickly as a title company can get us into close, which is typically about 10 to 14 days. So we'll make you an offer on your home in Berks County and you will have cash in hand in 10 to 14 days. A lot of times we talk to people that have a home that's in great condition in Berks County, but they have a sudden job change, or they need to move out of the country or across the country, or they have a family emergency and they need to liquidate quickly, meaning they need to sell their home so that they can access the equity in their home and get that cash quickly. And they don't have time to be listing that home on the market. So if you have a home in Berks County, Pennsylvania, even if it doesn't need any repairs, we are able to purchase that home cash. You can call us for a free, no obligation consultation to see if your home is a good fit for what we look for. You can also check out more at berksdirectcashbuyers.com or reach us at 610-816-6205.